everyone, today I'm going to show you how to program the factory settings. So first of all, we have to turn on our AviTrac, and for that we have to press for about 5 seconds on the rotary knob till we see our screen on. Once it's on, we will have to press a second time on the rotary knob in order to be on the general menu. From here, we will have to turn slightly to the right the rotary knob in order to go through all the menus till we are on the menu Factory Settings. Once we are on the factory settings, in order to go into that menu, we will have to press on the rotary knob. Here we can decide to keep the settings, or if we turn slightly to the right the rotary knob, we can also choose the full erasure. If we choose that option, it will erase the time and all the programming that we have done. So in this case, we will not do that. But please note that if you are selecting this option, the device will reset and it will emit a signal at maximum power to test the correct operation of the speaker. In this case, like I said, we will not do the full erasure, so we will turn slightly to the right the rotary knob in order to go back to keep settings. We will have to press one time on the rotary knob and a second time to confirm our choice. Now you have two options. You can wait for about 90 seconds that your AviTrac turn off by himself, or you can also turn it off by pressing for about 5 seconds on the rotary knob and wait till your AviTrac turns off. Thank you very much.